this at the laundromat. Why? I found this at the laundromat. Dad, can you record me? Because I just found this.
There's another one over there. Pinball machine.
There's a... Look. What the... No. Wait, can you record, please? There's a pedal. There's pedals. No. How do you start?
You gotta have quarters.
I want to do a different one.
Maybe mommy give you 1 quarter. It only takes 1 quarter because somebody already put one in.
Thank you. Quarter. How do you put it in?
Far left. Far left.
This one?
Yeah. Put it in.
I did.
Try the other one.
Oh, there we go.
Go away. Oh. You jammed. Got jammed, but I don't know if it's gonna work.
Yeah, we need to know. Wait, record actually. We need
Take
to.
your phone.
Bruh. I'm gonna come here every time.
Nope. It's stuck. They should have a. Yeah, the coins got stuck in there.
This is supposed to be speeding up.
Now you know the coins get stuck. Don't worry about it. It's just a couple quarters. Wanna play pinball machine?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna play the
I'll see if
pinball
she'll give us the
machine. Man, that's crazy. I wanted to play that. I'm gonna take this whole setup. Watch. I just play. What? No. No. Please, 1 more quarter. Please. Can we please get 1 more quarter?
Dude, no, it didn't work twice.
Let's go. We're about to try another quarter. No way. Bruh. Shut up. Bro, I'm about to steal his seat, bro. Honestly. This sucks. Crap. I need something. Oh, sorry. Mom, I need something to push it in. I need some.
Can you ask him? I'm washing his clothes.
Oh, my key. Dad, do you have something that you can push it in with?
She gave me her quarters back.
Yeah? Oh, we're about to go to...
That one doesn't work. The quarters get stuck. You can't keep putting them in there.
Yeah.
But you can play this.
3 minutes long already.
All right. Let's see.
You're gonna have to definitely
Can you
record.
see? Can you see everything? Yeah. Here's your 2 things on the side. That's gonna make those move like that.
Okay. Can you record?
I can't record because I have to watch your sisters out there.
Oh, okay. Then I'll send you.
Yeah, set it up right here. There you go. It makes those good for you. There you go. I think it's one.
Oh, I'm gonna go to Mom and ask her. She has them.
Actually, she got 2 more quarters because it costs $1 to play pinball.
You got 2 more quarters? Okay, guys, I got 2 quarters. What?
It's 4 total.
Oh, 4.
We have no authority. Oh, you might be good.
Oh, it's a bird.
Trouble. All of this taking This is number, they just got
They keep
machines.
scamming us.
There you go. Hold it.
That's weird.
Yeah, you lost 150. It's done. Yep. Hey, machines are bad. Somebody's making $1 million off of quarters.
These machines suck. Yeah, they really suck when I say it, bro. Honestly. Because they're straight up scamming us. I'm gonna break your machine. God, bro. Bro, I already know this stuff. Bro, this stuff is old. Like, we got the old TV. This is kind of cool. Dang. Old school. Crap. I stuck one of my quarters in there. And it did not work.
Ashton, come sit out here so you can make sure your sisters are good. I'm about to turn the truck around so the back is facing this way. So I'm about to walk in this store and see what they got, and then I gotta go to the garbage store. I'm about to turn the car around. What you doing? You don't have to sit in the car. All I need you to do is sit on the chair outside. This one, that's it. There's nothing in there that works, so I don't know why you gotta add it to me.
Because I want it to be in there. I want it to be in there. Sweat beef. Hello, more back. Hello, more back. That's good. That's good. This place sucks. Look over here, bro. This thing is crazy. That car is insane. And over here, there's even better ones. Or nah, I'd say the one over here is the best. Cause bro, the wheels are slanted. Probably has a twin turbo in it. I'd just say a turbo. Cause I have a turbo mom. Or a twin turbo. This thing's badged. This will work to shove the coin in here. This is gonna work. I hope. I shoved the coin in there. Now start it. worked. It says insert coin. God, bro. This game is so booty cheeks. God. Crap. But it still says oh, ahorita. This game sucks. This game sucks. This game sucks. Well, I'm about to pull his hair stealing it out. Man, this stuff is so broken I can't, bro. All they do is scan. Like, see, somebody's coins was in there, and they can't get it. They can't get their coins. That sucks. Man, wish this game worked.
Walk over there unless you out here with it, bro.
Huh?
I need you to sit here for a second. Just a minute, bro.
Not sit. I can be right here.
That's what I'm saying, but you can't block the door.
La la. Mom, we just figured out we can't do it because we didn't have enough coins. You need to do 3. You have to do 3 quarters by each other. We need to. Because we need 3 more quarters. So we have to put it in there and it works. But I don't really care about it. I don't care about it.
It don't work this time. It took $2.
No, not that one.
That one don't work.
Oh.
It's jammed, bro. Like, what are you talking about? Can't put the coins in. How's it gonna read? If you look in there, you'll see the coins stuck in there.
Hope this works. What's this?
See, it does that, bro. Bro, it does that every time. Don't put no more money in these machines. They take every quarter. Do they got a number for the person that they
That is insane. At least I can act like I'm driving.
Come over here. Let's see if this is right. You didn't see that.
Yeah.
Get close, cause the mic start. Oh, how you gonna play, bro? You ain't even playing. Man, watch out.
I got a bad reputation.
Oh. Let's go.
You don't know how to play, bro. These is how you play.
Oh, can I try? Wait, let me set this up.
Pull the trigger to shoot the ball. Might be the last one.
Got stuck.
Better get ready for it. You doing the wrong things.
What Leo want, Leo get.
Oh, shoot the ball. What? This is really fun. Wait, where is it
Just
going?
let it drop down. You're supposed to hit it.
Oh, this?
Wasting your ball.
I like this.
I think that's it. Push the button. Red button.
Oh, this
You
one?
have no authority. I got away.
Yeah,
Oh, wait.
You have no authority.
yeah, no. You done.
There we go. That was
Go
perfect.
out there with your sister for a second.
I'm gonna pay.
Just do what I asked you to do and don't talk.
We're not even gonna talk about this. Oh, God. There we go. Oh, drink it. Drink the Stop trying to grab the camera and drink the bottle. Cap. Chrome wheels Escalade. She won't take it. She won't take it. With a bat. Cadillac. 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 Say hi. When she said hi, bro, she felt plain.
For me? Because it ain't in there.
This is my view, guys. This is my view. This is what my view looks like. This is what my view looks like. This is what my view looks like. Oh no, this is what my view looks like. Right now, just this. This is what my view looks like. It's more like this. This sucks. Can I get a gumball? I don't have a gumball. I'm gonna show you. Or no, I want one of that basketball. Or the baseball.
Do all that shit. What'd you do with it after?
I'm gonna see them. Like Photoshop, right? Oh wait, no. Come on, can I?
Fucking car that anybody could be just using right now with the only money we fucking got.
But I'm about to show you my car. Old school, baby. I was playing. Slam on that gas, boy.
Apparently you don't. You're careless. Is my point.
I almost dropped the baby block. Sweat bee inside. I killed the sweat bee. I gotta use the bathroom.
They got a bathroom?
Huh?
They got a bathroom?
I'm pretty sure. Let me check. fart. This shit doesn't work, but I'm about to. Bro. These seats are insanely nice. I know ball. I know ball. This one's better. I like this pedal. I'm gonna come here for. Let's. This is the radio. Just pretend like it is. Start. Wait, let's rev it. I'm gonna put it in park mode. This is park right here, and then this is drive. Park, drive. Park mode. Let's rev it. I'm gonna put it in drive. Let's back up. Okay, we're good. Oh God. Let me pull over and back up. Park mode. Let's get out. Oh God. That was fun. I'm all sweaty from making these car noises. I just hit right here and my freaking hand started dinging. Okay, let's hop in my car. No. What the? Okay. Okay. Let's put in drive. Let's back up. About to go to the gas station. Okay, I'm about to go on the road. Yeah. Wait, watch out. Beep, beep, beep. Got me. We parked at the gas station. So let's put it in park. There we go. I'm gonna put gas in it. Let's put the gas in it. How much money am I gonna put in it? I'm gonna put 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Or no, let's just do 40. Put 40 in my gas tank. Insert money. Bro, I just inserted the money. Bro. There, finally. Filling up gas tank. God dang. There we go. Now let me get in the car. And a park. Even I have a key? Bro. Dad!
What, man? I'm pissed. We lost our car. Have you seen the Cash App car, Ashton?
No.